Abhyanga is an Ayurvedic massage practice. It's usually done with warm oils, sometimes other things, but usually with warm oils that are chosen for your Ayurvedic constitution. Uh, Abhyanga can be done by an Ayurvedic practitioner, or you can do it at home yourself as a self-care practice, and that's what we're going to focus on today. I live in the Northeast United States, and it is cold and windy in the winter time, and oh, my skin gets so dry. And Abhyanga warm oil massage in the morning, as you can imagine, has really changed the way my winter skin feels inside and out. Originally, Abhyanga oil massage is oil is used to pacify or balance Vata. And Vata is a constitution of Ayurveda that tends to have a lot of movement. It tends to be dry, cold, and can get ungrounded. So, so this practice can ground you, it can warm you up, and it can help pacify too much movement. So it helps to manage stress, it can help to improve sleep, and it can just help your whole nervous system feel nourished on an energetic level. And I don't know about you, but I think all of us could use a little Abhyanga once in a while. When I have a really busy week, I try to do Abhyanga warm oil massage at least a couple times during that week, ideally every day. But I often don't get to it. And it takes me maybe 10 minutes to 20 minutes if I'm going to leave the oil to soak in for a while, but it's worth it.